Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to inspect your weapons in Call of Duty Mobile. Weapon inspection adds a layer of personalization to your gameplay experience. It allows you to showcase your preferred skins to teammates or opponents during multiplayer matches. Well, there are two ways to do that. First, using the settings menu. So I'm gonna quit this game first. So in here, tap the gear icon or the settings at the top right corner, then tap the basic tab. Now scroll down until you see weapons inspection option. Inspecting your weapon can be a fun and immersive aspect of the game. In social settings like clan matches or custom lobbies, weapon inspection can be a conversation starter or a way to showcase your collection of skins to friends. So in here, enable weapon inspection. So tap the on option to inspect your weapon. The other way to do that is by using the emote menu. So open the emote menu by clicking on the emote icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the emote menu, you will see several options, including a button that looks like a gun in the middle. So click the gun button to view your weapon. Both of these methods will allow you to inspect your weapon in more detail. For players who create content such as a gameplay videos or screenshots, the ability to inspect weapons allows for more dynamic and visually appealing footage. It adds variety to your content and can make your gameplay videos or screenshots more engaging for viewers. And that's how to inspect your weapon in Call of Duty Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.